You're my best friend.
Look at it.
I'll be in fools just in the deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with.
Hi friends, thanks for joining. Today we're gonna have some fun because we're gonna talk about Channing Tatum and her dogs, our two favorite things. There's a new movie out called Dogs starring Channing Tatum, and we are going to make one of his favorite drinks called Sin Tini. And we're gonna make a drink for our dog, so we're not drinking alone.
But we're excited. Channing Tatum is super hot. And don't lie, I know you watch Magic Mike, so we're excited to get hot at home. Woo!
I actually know him from Step Up. That's where I first had my crush on him. He could dance, he could act, he has moves. Anyway, enough about my preferences. How do we make this drink?
Of course, you're gonna need a lot of ice to put in your shaker.
Alright, I don't have a real martini shaker, so I'm using a metal thermos. Doing what we can with what we got.
So we need 1 ounce of silver tequila. So 1 ounce, which is 2 tablespoons.
Are you sure? Looks like a lot.
I'm sure. Okay, to this, some good old apple juice. You know, gotta balance it out. And then some cranberry fruit cocktail. Now, the problem with that is that I can only find cranberry juice. I couldn't find cranberry juice cocktail. So I looked up what the difference is, and it just said that cocktail just had a higher level of sugar in it. So I'm okay with that.
We're good.
I think it's for the color.
I know you put extra tequila in yours, so that sugar's not gonna matter.
And then a little zing to it. He wants us to put 1 little pinch of ground cinnamon. Boop.
Yes.
That is it.
Wait, let me boop my cinnamon. I'm living dangerously.
Okay, let's shake this. Let's see Tom Cruise.
Done. Cat, look at this. Thermos style.
All right, bottoms up, pinkies up. What do you think? It looks cute, right?
No, mine doesn't
I love the
look
color.
good. Maybe because it's in
What?
the wrong cup.
Yours is brown. Mine is this really pretty pink. Do you see it?
Oh yeah, yours looks much
How can you
better.
mess up a cocktail?
Look away, look away.
How
Don't
can
look
you mess
at
up a cocktail? Mmm, smooth.
Actually, I don't hate it. Get this out of the way.
This is kind of dangerous because I feel like I don't even taste the alcohol.
I used probably the worst kind of tequila flavor-wise, and I'm not hating it. It's actually kind of good.
Why is this going down so smooth? I mean, I'm using Jose Cuervo Blue Agave Silva Tequila. Is this like a really good tequila, guys? Let us know.
This is good.
Yum.
It's the cinnamon too.
Do you guys want to see me and Gina get drunk?
We don't get drunk. We sip our martinis from a
I'm
juice
chugging
cup.
it because I don't even taste the tequila.
It doesn't smell good, but it does taste good. We don't want to drink alone at home, so we are going to make a drink now for our puppers, our dog.
We're going to start off with some Greek yogurt. Add in some peanut butter.
And you want to make sure there's no xylitol in it. And all it is like, it's a chemical. It's a sugar alcohol.
A little honey, a half a banana, a half a cup of chopped strawberries. We're going to crack in a whole egg. We're going to close this up and then we're going to mix it until it's nice and smooth. I think Mochi gives us a 2 thumbs up.
Daddy, here, treat. You, oh my gosh, you just fake licked. Oh, there you go. A good girl.
we're feeling a little tipsy already. We need to make dinner. So thanks for joining. Make sure you hit that bell, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye.
Are you still working on your burrata?
You're missing the creamy center. Let's put it in the oven.